In this tutorial, we will design a splint using the iTero Design Suite. Let's start the case by launching the iTero Design Suite directly from the My iTero portal. Under the Orders tab, select the order and select iTero Design Suite. The iTero Design Suite navigation opens. Here you have the option to design, create models, and print with minimal effort. Click Design and the case opens right away. This time we will create 2 bite splints. In the first case, we assume the bite was scanned in an open position and static impressions were created. To benefit from the automatic curve detection, we segment the teeth with a single click on each tooth. To block out undercuts, we move the model slightly to define the insertion axis from View and click Apply or Next to proceed. In this final step, we can add, remove, and smooth areas of the splint. With the left mouse button, we add a few contact points if desired and cut the intersections to the antagonist. Click Next to finish the first bite splint. Now the bite splint is saved and you can select to proceed to printing. If we would like to adjust the splint to the antagonist, first raise the bite inside the virtual articulator. Therefore, leave the wizard by clicking Expert, then the Tools menu and select the articulator. Here we correct the position of the scan data by using the helper plane. The selected Artex CR provides already incisal guidance. This time we easily increase the height with a slider inside the virtual articulator, in this case by 2 mm. Note, this value should be carefully adjusted for each patient individually. After doing so, we start the articulator movement simulation and close the articulator window with OK. From now on, we can repeat the articulator movement and protrusion or lateral protrusion at any time by dragging the slider in the upper right corner. Select the Wizard button to return to the wizard. Here we open the second tab to define the posterior area with 2 points and press the button to flatten it. Inside the free-forming step, we customize the existing contact areas first by removing material by holding down the Shift button. Also, we add material in the front to achieve the desired guidance for the patient. Intersecting material visualized in magenta can be removed easily with a click on Adapt and cut static or dynamic movements to 0 mm. A final click on Next finalizes the splint and we can proceed with printing the adjusted splint. Click Next to finish the bite splint. Now the bite splint is saved and you can select to proceed to printing. With the Proceed to Printing, the job can be sent seamlessly to the selected printer. It starts with iTero.